LearnDash by itself is an excellent platform for building your online courses. However, by itself in WordPress, there are some features that you really need. And by adding a CRM, and by CRM I mean a customer relationship management system, one like Keap, Infusionsoft, ActiveCampaign, or Go HighLevel, which is a real popular one now, makes a really big difference. And let me explain to you why. When you're working with LearnDash, you've got WordPress, and something as simple as sending out an email can be a hassle, more so because of deliverability. But more importantly, when you're selling your course, for example, if you're using WooCommerce in addition to LearnDash to selling it, you can send like one email, two emails. One is a receipt, another one is a welcome message for setting your password, and that's kind of it. And when you're building an online course, not only do you want to send a welcome message, and one that's a little bit more elegant than the one that's sent out by WooCommerce, you want to send an email that explains your program, that talks about how to make the most of the program. And then you likely want to send some follow-up emails, one that says, hey, you're a week in, how's it going? Another thing that's very handy to do is sending out an email if the person hasn't logged in yet, or if the person is making progress very slowly. If it's a course that's supposed to be taken in, let's say, 2 weeks, and you notice that in week 1 they've only finished 1 of 10 lessons, they're not coming along very quickly. And then if someone is making a lot of really good progress, it's very nice to be able to say something like, hey, attaboy, you're making good progress, and pointing out to you as the administrator of the site, hey, this person has a real good interest in the material. Maybe I should consider upselling them. So doing things like what I just described without a CRM is next to impossible. Now, if you do add something like that, then adding workflows and automations is very straightforward to do once you have that tool. So that's one thing. Now, another thing is your CRMs are going to make building sales funnels, landing pages, and things of that nature very straightforward. Now, you could do them inside of WordPress, but it's just not the right or the best tool for doing so. What you really want is to be able to put up a form, put it up on a landing page, whether you put it inside of the landing pages provided by the CRM, or you're putting a form inside of WordPress. That can be used to start a funnel, that if someone comes up and fills that out, you send them out whatever they ordered. Like let's say it's a newsletter, then it puts them in the system so that any future newsletters you send out with your CRM get to those people. But you can also have people sign up to download a lead magnet, 21 reasons why you want to use my smarts, depending on the topic that you cover. And then if they do get that, you use the CRM to send them whatever it is they requested, and then you can follow up with them. If you have 3 lead magnets, you can have each one assigned to a series of emails that you send to them, reiterating what it is that they requested, trying to get them to consider something else, maybe inviting them to a call with you. And then as I'm talking about a call with you, most CRMs have great features for scheduling a call with you and then having it automatically confirm that, so that as soon as they sign up, you can put the meeting on their calendar, and just as important, send a follow-up message so that the day before, the morning of, maybe even a few minutes before, you send them a reminder. So you're trying to maximize the chances of them actually showing up for that. And a CRM can do that for you very effectively. More than happy to talk to you about CRMs, LearnDash, WooCommerce, which is another thing that I highly recommend when you're using WooCommerce. So if you need anything, reach out to me. I'm here to give you a hand with that.